Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am iteshamarie. So today I'm giving you guys a hair video. It's been a little minute since I've done a hair video, but today we're going to get right into it. I am going to show you guys my review of this hair that I have on right now. This hair is by the company Nadula. This is their honey brown highlight wig. So if you guys are interested in seeing me install and style this hair that I have on right now from beginning to end, then make sure you keep watching. All right, so the first thing you're gonna notice is that I don't have my hair in braids. I've got this bun in. So my mom messed up her shoulder and she's the one that usually braids my hair, so I couldn't get braids. This is the box that the hair comes in. And then once we open it up, we have the wig right here on the top. And then we have some goodies. So it looks like inside here we have a comb, a rat tail comb, some earrings, some lashes, and it looks like a pack of wig caps. We're gonna go ahead and open up the wig. All right, so this is how it looks. When I'm looking at this on camera, it's looking like very kind of brassy. It's definitely blonde, like honey blonde, like the description says. This is how it looks. So this hair is 20 inches. I don't remember exactly the wave pattern. I want to say it's water wave. Honestly, just looking at it like this, it doesn't look like much. Once we get it together, it's gonna be cute. As I'm running my fingers through this hair, it's very, very soft, especially for it to be like hair that's color treated. It's very soft. It doesn't feel like rough. This is how the construction of the wig cap looks, so pretty standard. Let's just go ahead and put a wig cap on my head and then put the wig on and see how the hairline is looking. All right, girls, so I've got my wig cap on. As you can see, I do not do the bald cap method because I'm lazy and I just ain't got time for that. All right, so here we go. So the first thing that I'm noticing, even before this wig is all the way on my head, is that this is definitely big head friendly because my head is big, and as I'm putting it on, it doesn't feel like super tight. It fits, but it doesn't feel like super tight. And I've got this bun in the back of my head. I'm just gonna pull it forward. So the hairline is very full. It is not appearing to be pre-plucked. So I think I'm gonna do some plucking. Not too much though, because like I told y'all, I'm lazy and I just wanna review this hair for the sake of this video, and then I'll probably go back in, you know, pluck the hairline more and maybe bleach the knots, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna pluck the hairline a little bit. I'm going to put some powder on the lace. The lace actually looks fine, but I'm gonna put some powder on the lace. I'm gonna like tie it down and then I'm gonna cut the lace off, and then I'll be back to show you guys how it's looking. All right, I'm back. I know I look a little bit crazy, but that's because I was trying to pluck some of the lace, and as I was like pulling the extra hairs out of it, it got frizzy. But I honestly don't mind the frizzy look. But what I'm about to do right now is take some of this LA CoverGirl concealer, kind of go in the parting space right here and kind of fix that up a little bit. Usually I use powder for this. I'm just gonna use concealer today. All right, so I'm gonna fix this up a little bit more and then I'll come right back. All right, y'all, so this is how it's looking once I went into the parting space up here. It's still pretty thin, but it looks better than it was looking. And I also put a little bit on the lace. I put a little bit of concealer on the lace, like right here in the front, just so that it looks like I plucked it a little bit more than I did. I kind of want to leave it like this, but what I had in mind to do was kind of like brush it out so that all of it would look like this, right? And then I was going to take my curling wand and put some curls in it. I don't know, what do you guys think? Do you like it like this, or you think I should put some curls in it? Yeah, let's try that. So I am going to section this out, and I know that this is probably gonna take me a minute. y'all. So I know it's looking crazy right now, so I'm gonna see if I can finesse this. Gotten a little bit frizzy right here on the top. So yeah, these are my wand curls, but I'm about to try to like kind of pick them, pull them apart so that they're not looking silly like this without it getting like, I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So we're just gonna see and hope for the best. But the look that I'm going for, there's this girl that I follow. I've been following her for years on Instagram. I don't know if you guys are familiar, but her name on there is iteshamarie, and she has the most beautiful blondish hair color, and she always wears it like natural and curly, and it looks like she blow dries it and probably wand curls it. So that's the look that I'm kind of going for. Dang, I did a better job than I thought I was gonna do. All right, y'all, I'm back. This was the best I could do without just making it like super big and frizzy. I think it looks very cute. I made it look a little bit different than it was looking. I don't know what I did to it. I think it's probably when I was taking off my shirt and then putting a different shirt on so that I could look a little bit cuter. I love this. Like, this is cute. This hair is super duper soft. It took the curls really, really well. I don't know how long they're gonna last, but I don't know. I could probably like spray some of my Got2b spray on it and have them last a little bit longer, but I like how soft it is, so I don't want to spray Got2b on it. I really like this hair. I actually like it better like this than in its natural state. The color looks bomb on the curls. I've gotten the ends a little bit frizzy, so I probably should go back in with my curling wand and fix those up, but this looks perfect. I love this. I feel like the color really complements my skin tone really nicely. And the color looks even better with the curls like this. I'm loving it. And like I told y'all, I didn't do much to the lace. Like, I literally barely plucked this hairline. And then I went in with some concealer and some powder too. And I did very minimal baby hairs. Like, I literally only did some baby hairs right here and then right here. Yeah, that's it, you guys. I really love this hair from Nadula. Let me know how you guys like this hair and this style that I did down below in the comments. If you guys have any questions about this hair, also let me know down in the comments, and I'm more than happy to answer for you. And that's it. As always, you guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you turn your post notifications on. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.